Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With the latest advancements in mobile technology, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to impress. Let's explore the key features, starting with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to be one of the first smartphones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, according to reliable reports. Unveiled at the 2024 Snapdragon Summit, this chipset represents a major leap forward in mobile technology, especially in artificial intelligence, AI, gaming, and photography. The Snapdragon 8 Elite enhances AI processing capabilities, allowing for more intelligent features like on-device learning, improved virtual assistants, and advanced camera AI. This translates into smarter photo and video enhancements, including real-time scene recognition and enhanced computational photography, making it a perfect match for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's upgraded camera system. In gaming, the chipset promises better graphics performance, faster load times, and smoother gameplay, with optimizations for power efficiency to ensure longer play sessions without overheating or draining the battery too quickly. This chipset also supports advanced ray tracing and high refresh rates, ideal for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's expected large, high-quality display. On the performance side, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is designed for speed and efficiency, enabling the Galaxy S25 Ultra to handle more demanding apps and multitasking with ease. It's optimized for 5G and Wi-Fi 7, ensuring faster internet speeds and more reliable connections. Altogether, a Snapdragon 8 Elite makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra not only more powerful, but also smarter and more efficient, setting a new standard for flagship smartphones. One of the standout features of the Snapdragon 8 Elite is its ability to elevate the Galaxy AI experience. At least one variant of the Galaxy S25 will incorporate this chipset, which is expected to significantly enhance AI capabilities. The president of Samsung Mobile highlighted Qualcomm's expertise in intelligent computing and its commitment to advancing mobile AI. This suggests that the Snapdragon 8 Elite will play a crucial role in future Galaxy AI experiences, offering users smarter and more intuitive interactions with their devices. Samsung is one of the companies set to launch Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered devices in the coming months. This early adoption underscores Samsung's commitment to providing cutting-edge technology to its users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, being the next flagship offering from Samsung, will likely incorporate the Snapdragon 8 Elite to deliver enhanced performance and AI capabilities. There have been various rumors about the chipset choice for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Some speculated that Samsung might use the Exynos 2400 for the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra shipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 globally. Additionally, Samsung has been working on the Exynos 2500, which was expected to debut with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. However, recent rumors suggest that Samsung's yields for this 3-in chip aren't sufficient to meet the high demand, making it unlikely to be used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In conclusion, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is set to bring significant enhancements to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, particularly in AI performance. While there are still some uncertainties regarding the final specifications, the inclusion of Qualcomm's latest chipset indicates a promising future for Samsung's flagship devices. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our channel for the latest news and reviews. Thanks for watching.